Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights, so sign into the administrator account now. Once you have control, close all Adobe apps and sign out of Creative Cloud. Open Services on Windows, Services. MSC, or use Terminal with Launchtool list on Mac OS to check the Adobe Update Service entry. Take note of its exact service name: Adobe Acrobat Update Service, Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service, or Adobe Updater, because you will reference it directly. Make sure you have a system restore point or backup before changing service settings. On Windows, right-click the Adobe Update Service, choose Properties, set Startup Type to Disabled, click Stop, then Apply, confirm the status reads Stopped. On Mac OS, open Terminal and run sudo launchtool disable system/com. Adobe, * or move the Adobe Updater. List out of /library/launch agents and run sudo launchtool bootout to unload it. Next, check Task Scheduler, Login Items, and Adobe Startup Entries and remove any scheduled update tasks. Once done, reboot to ensure changes persist and recheck service state. After reboot, verify the Adobe Update Service remains disabled in Services or Launchtool. If it re-enables, inspect Program Files, /library/application support, or user app data for leftover updater executables and delete them while signed in as admin. Then reboot again. If the updater keeps returning, run the Adobe Cleaner tool to fully remove updater components and reinstall only the Adobe apps you need, opting out of Auto Update. If things still fail, restore the system snapshot and then seek enterprise management tools to enforce update policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.